Alright, here we are at the Utah State Capitol. Let's go have a look.
We're on the way.
Welcome back. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start donating our YouTube revenue to support families battling cancer. Join our journey, hit that subscribe button, and make a difference today. Now back to the video.
Alright, so we finished our walk around the State Capitol building. An interesting little thing, used to be a munitions dump up on top of the hill, and a couple of young men decided it would be fun to take some pot shots at the munitions dump, and they blew it up, and they blew themselves up, and they rained shrapnel down over the Salt Lake City. So they thought maybe there's a bit of use for what's up on the hill, and so they decided to build the State Capitol here instead. Alright, our last stop for the day, Ensign Peak Nature Park. So hopefully there's a really good view from up the top there. There's a very nice view of the city of Salt Lake. So we're just doing a whistle stop at Fillmore. This is the old Capitol building. They only completed one wing of it. They wanted it to be in the centre of the state, but they found that there was not enough population here to make it worthwhile. So of course they abandoned this idea and built the new one in Salt Lake City. So this is the prison cell. They didn't have a door. So they just shackled the bloke to the floor. Guess that works. You could come out and say hi to the people working out in the hallway. Some high school teacher stayed at the house here. These are some of the punishments that you would get for doing these sorts of payments. This one here is the rules for teachers, 1872. This is like a large auditorium at the top of the building. So this is a model of what was supposed to be built. And it's basically got four annexes coming off the centre piece. But only this piece here is what we're currently in now. That's the only bit that got built. Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.